Today, in this video, I'm going to explain how to fix lag on PS4. Go to settings, now go to network, then click on setup internet connection. Now click on use Wi-Fi, then select as custom, now select your network. Then press the options button, now select Wi-Fi frequency bands. Now select as 5 Hz if your PS4 close to your router. Otherwise, set it as 2.4 Hz. Or you can set it as automatic, then select your network, then select automatic and select do not specify. Now click on manual. Now set the primary DNS as 1.1.1.1, then secondary DNS as 1.0.0.1, or you can set as 8.8.8.8 as primary DNS, then secondary DNS as 8.8.4.4. Then test the internet which is fast to you. Now from the MTU settings, set it as manual. Now select MTU as 1473 or 1450. Test this as different numbers. Then click on next. Do not use test internet connection. By following the steps, you can fix lag on PS4.
This video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.